The Kira Home Jericho has over 345 customer reviews and a 4.8 star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Jericho is well built, is of great value, and fits perfectly in any space. The Kira Home Jericho is perfect to install over a dining room table, over kitchen islands, or in an entryway or foyer. This wagon wheel chandelier features a sleek black finish that's consistent throughout the entire fixture. The design of the Jericho has a mixture of modern and farmhouse elements that allow it to shine in many indoor spaces. Measuring at 24 3/4 inches, this chandelier is substantial in size, allowing it to elevate most spaces in your home. Included in your package are 3 12-inch down rods and 1 6-inch down rod, so you can set the Jericho to your desired height. The open bulb design of the Jericho allows for some customization with your choice of bulb. This is compatible with vintage Edison bulbs, vintage round bulbs, or LED bulbs to make your Jericho even brighter. Feel free to set the mood or adjust the level of shine, as the Jericho is dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Jericho light is ETL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon Marketplace that say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Kira Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.